And NBA286 Rasig jersey, NBA26 default Bayra, and NBA26 black top Bayra, okay? Pansin nyo, yan, di ba? Philadelphia, same pa rin, Porter, Bucks, Milwaukee. Yan, Bulls, KD, Cavaliers, yan, Garland, Celtics, yan si White, oh. May bago. Same pa rin. And Ja Morant, Grizzlies, Hawks, Young. Miami Heat, Hero. Yan o, Lamelo Ball, same pa rin. Okay, Collier, Utah Jazz. Westbrook, oh, Sacramento Kings. And New York Knicks, Brunson. Lakers, same pa rin. Orlando Magic. Okay, Dallas. Demon, Brooklyn. Okay, si Murray sa Nuggets. Sa Haliburton, Diana Pacers. Pelicans, Poole. Okay, si Jordan Poole. Cunningham, oh, Detroit. Weekly, Raptors, okay. Rocket Houston, Burnley. Okay. Booker, Suns, Oklahoma, yan, no. Alexander, Gilgeous, Shai. Yan, Minnesota, Conley. Portland, yan, Lillard, diba? Golden State Warriors, si Washington Wizard. Okay. Yun, so welcome back po sa ating channel, mga master at madam. So, meron po tayong bagong NBA 2K26 roster. So, bagong mod lang po ito ni Sir JM Gamer YT. So, try natin to guys. Let's go. So, una guys, download muna natin yung link. So, ito pong link na to guys. Nandiyan po yan sa may pin comment section, okay? So, open nyo lang yan guys. Then, click nyo po yung open. Yan, okay. Open natin. So, sobrang dali lang nito i-download guys. Itong mod na to, okay? So, pagdating dito guys sa may site natin, so, Mediafire lang po yan guys. Ano po yung APK at OBB. Then, kung nahihirapan po kayo guys, kung may mga bug issue po yung na-download nyo, panoorin nyo lang tong enable to load system settings yung video na yan, okay? Mag-direct po yan sa mga bugs, okay? Na video. So, una natin i-download guys itong NBA2K26 na APK. So, yan po siya, NBA2K26 Ja Morant, no? So, yan po yung pinaka-APK natin. So, ita-download natin yan, guys, okay? Then, next naman natin ita-download is itong NBA 2K26 na OBB. Okay? So, Mediafire lang din po yan, guys, diba? Wala siyang kahirap-hirap i-download. Pag na-download nyo na, guys, yung APK at yung OBB, punta na po tayo dito sa may Z Archiver. Punta po tayo guys sa my download. So, ito na po guys yung na-download natin na APK, NBA 2K26 Ja Morant at itong OBB, okay? So, una natin gagawin guys is install natin tong NBA 2K26 na Ja Morant. Click nyo yan guys, then click nyo yung install. Okay, so click nyo lang po yan guys, then click nyo yung install anyway. Then click nyo po yung ping nyo. Click nyo lang po yung done. Then next naman guys is extract natin tong OBB na to. Extract here. So NBA 2K26 okay, Ja Morant. So, napakakas ito guys. So, panoorin nyo lang mabuti itong ano na to guys ha. Tutorial na to, okay? Para iwas po tayo sa mga tanong-tanong, okay? Subscribe na rin po kayo sa channel natin guys. So, join na rin po kayo para sa mga available na perks po natin. Yan, so malapit na po siya matapos. So, wala po itong password guys. Okay, lahat po ng video natin, wala po yung password. Talagang papanoorin nyo na lang po siya guys. Okay, malapit na siya matapos guys. Wait lang natin. Okay, so ayan na po siya guys. Na-extract na po natin yung OBB niya. Okay na po yung mga OBB niyan. So next natin na gagawin guys is open muna natin yung pinaka APK natin na app. Okay, so ito po yan. NBA 286 Byra HD. Byra HD, so click yung allow. So mapapansin nyo guys, the app is not properly installed. Please install it again. So hindi pa kasi natin guys nalagay yung OBB. So click nyo muna yung OK. Then balik po tayo guys ng download sa Z-Archiver. Then open nyo to guys, yung OBB nya. Then click nyo tong dalawa na to guys. Okay, so click nyo yung tatlong dot sa taas. Then click nyo po yung multi-select. Then select nyo yung dalawa guys. Then click nyo po, hold nyo. Then click nyo po guys yung cut. Then punta po tayo guys sa may internal device. Okay, device storage. Then punta po kayo guys ng Android. Then punta po kayo guys ng OBB. So yan na po siya guys. So open nyo po ito. Then click nyo po guys yung paste sa baba. Tapos wait lang natin yan guys matapos yung pagpe-paste nya, okay? Okay, so ito na po guys yung OBB. So na-paste na po natin yan guys, okay? So pag okay na yan guys, punta na po tayo sa mismong app ulit. Try natin kung mag-open na. Pero pag hindi pa guys, gamitin natin yung double installation method, okay? So click natin yan guys. So hindi pa rin, okay? Hindi pa rin siya nag-open. So pag ganyan guys, di pa rin nag-open, punta ulit tayo guys ng Z-Archiver. So punta ulit tayo guys ng download. Then open natin ulit itong APK. So install ulit natin yan. Click po yan guys, and click nyo install. Okay, install. Ganyan lang siya guys, ito yung double installation method na ginagamit. Okay, click nyo lang yun done. Then punta po tayo sa mismong APK uli, mismong app. Okay, open na po natin siya. So yan, mag-play na po siya guys, diba? 1, 2, 3, 4. So click natin yung play. Kita naman guys, nag-play na po siya. Diba, sobrang solid niya guys. Okay, click nyo yung tap screen to continue. Okay, so ito na po yan guys. Makikita nyo, unlimited na po yung BC nya. Okay, then punta po tayo sa may 2K knob. Okay, load or save. Click natin load. So mapapansin nyo guys, ito na po yung NBA 286 natin. So makikita nyo na po siya. NBA 286 Rasig jersey, NBA 286 default Byra, and NBA 286 black top Byra. Okay, so click natin to guys, itong NBA 2K26 na default by RE. Okay, yan. Okay, then check natin yung roster nya. Okay, wait lang po. Open natin yung roster, manage roster. Mapansin nyo, yan, di ba? Philadelphia, same pa rin. Porter, Bucks, Milwaukee. Yan, Bulls, KD, Cavaliers, yan, Garland, Celtics. Yan, si White, oh. May bago. Team pa rin. And Jamorant, Grizzlies, Hawks, Young. Miami Heat, Hero. Yan o, LaMelo Ball, same pa rin. Okay, Collier, Utah Jazz. Westbrook o, Sacramento Kings. And New York Knicks, Brunson. Lakers, same pa rin. Orlando Magic. Okay, Dallas, Demon, Brooklyn. Okay, si Murray sa Nuggets. Sa Haliburton, Diana Pacers. Pelicans, Poole. Okay, si Jordan Poole. Cunningham, Detroit. Weekly, Raptors, okay. Rocket Houston, Burnley. Okay. Booker, Suns, Oklahoma, yan, Alexander, Gilgeous, Shai. Yan, Minnesota only. Portland, yan, Lillard, diba? Golden State Warriors, si Washington Wizard. Okay. Regents, okay. So, try na natin, guys. Try ng play now. Quick game lang tayo. Siyempre, piliin natin, guys. Ay ang gusto kong magano, New Orleans Pelicans, no? Oklahoma tayo. Ay, hindi, wag. Oklahoma na nga lang. Play tayo, kalaban Raptors. Let's go!
Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting broadcast of the NBA on 2K Sports. A quick check now of the starting lineups for both teams.
Okay, so yan na po yung mga bagong Jalen Williams. Okay, Holmgren, no? Yung sa okay, sige. Ito naman yung sa Raptors. Okay. So, start na natin gameplay. Oklahoma City, guys, diba? Si Shai,
And so off the tip, it's Toronto.
Uy, grabe naman yan. Uy. Grabe yun.
Here's Williams.
Nice mo to.
For three. Toronto grabs the miss. And he drops him away up off the glass. Oh, maestro.
Grabe naman yun. Parang pangat yung settings siya ang camera. Ibayin natin. Camera. Change camera. Parang dapat 2K lang lagi. Pag drive pangit Player lock yan, 2K lang.
And making those lead passes like conducting an orchestra.
Ito lang laging gusto kong settings ng camera.
From downtown. No good. They push it up.
Grabe. Six na sila. Bawi.
And about a minute gone in the first quarter.
Oops.
Stolen away.
Takbo.
And here's the fast break.
Grabe, tambak. tayo.
And it's the Thunder with the ball. 8-point game.
Nice one.
Good ball movement. You put that pass in the ideal spot, right where it needed to be.
Just around a minute and a half into the first quarter.
Oops.
To set up the lay-in.
Kaya natin makabawi, guys.
6 points for him.
Medyo tumatambak na. Yes.
Here's the three.
That is not enough coverage. Got to do better
Dali.
than that defensively. Basically, no coverage. I mean,
Dali mo.
defense did not look very good there.
Oops. Foul.
And about 2 minutes played here in the first quarter.
Oops.
Of room. They get the rebound. A second chance effort. And the layup is up and in.
Wala.
That finish brings me back to the old days. The silky smooth finger roll.
Deflects the pass.
Oops.
And here comes the break. That is good.
Grabe naman yun.
Every time they get scored on during this run, it's come from inside the paint.
Wala. Yan guys, so nga dito na lang po yung gameplay natin at tutorial. So, tapos po tayo sa next na video guys at God bless po sa atin.
Well, that's an